Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Wednesday. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So, guys, actually, starting from tomorrow, let's say starting from next week, we'll be changing the way we do things. So, which means I'm not gonna do some daily analysis like almost every day. So since I've been showing people how to do the analysis, how to trade and stuff like that, so from now on, I will just showing you the results that I will be trading. So tomorrow I will also reveal the account size that I will be starting with. If you still remember, I think around Feb or March, we did something like a 500 Rand account. And along the way, just because I got busier and stuff like that, so I left that on the way because also 500 Rand, it was quite smaller amount. So sometimes I need to make a lot of money so that I can actually survive. And as I have some responsibilities. But from tomorrow, I think we'll be revisiting that, but we'll be starting with a smaller account. And everything will be explained there. So mostly I will be just showing you the progress. How is the account growing? What is the results and stuff like that? And if maybe there is something that I'll have to show you, maybe sort of analysis, yes, I will be doing that. But mostly we will be just tracking the results or tracking the trading that I will be actually doing. Yes, signals, they will still be there. Sorry, so signals, they'll still be there. So which means there will be less of a daily analysis here every day. So which means we need to work and we need to eat. So we also have a special, guys, for those who wants to be part of the team. While we are still busy with our website at the moment, we can just still WhatsApp me or Telegram me. But this special will be ending soon because now we need to move to actually a website so that we can do professional stuff, guys. So for those who wants to be part of the team, just let me know. We need to be professionals. So at the moment, everything will be done on my website. Maybe by Friday it will be done because mostly I'm just doing that by myself. Yeah, dollar, guys. Dollar is getting stronger, quite slower. And we see that tech stocks are struggling. We've been, I think, since Friday, we saw the market going down on Nasdaq US30. We thought maybe the market was going to reverse very quick, but it seems like nope, that might not really happen. We know very well that next week, before the end of the month, we're gonna have. Let me show you. I think we're gonna have interest rates. So this is our calendar. Today, I think we're gonna have PMI. Today it's Wednesday. I think around quarter to 4, we're gonna have PMI, and today we also have interest rates from Canada. So on Friday, yes, it's PCE, which is very, very, very important. So let's go next week. You can see that next week we have also a lot of economic news here. So let's see. So we have, yes, 31st Federal Reserve. So it seems like they're not going to change the rates. They're just going to keep them like that, as we already have some clue that they might cut the rates actually in September. So yeah, that is actually what we have on the calendar next week. So it's going to be busy and the market might just play around, you see. But what's really happening on the dollar index? This shows the strength of the dollar. And we saw that the dollar, it was going down. It was actually going down. And we reached an area of a support. And that obviously will be showing us that the market is respected this support area, as I've been showing you for quite some time. So I'm expecting to see the market going higher. Or maybe the market might just break out. That is also possible. So USD JPY, what's really happening? Quite straightforward structure. The market actually showed us that, you know what, we are no longer on that uptrend. We are no longer on that uptrend, so we are now going down. So we expect to see the market going down. So this is what we have there. that it's a breakout. The market did retest. If you still remember yesterday, that let's wait for the market to break this support area, and the market did that. You can see that we are in a smaller profit. The market actually broke out of that structure, so which means we are expecting to see a continuation of that sell on USDJPY. You see why I'm saying that I should be showing you the results. It's not going to be every day, but I just want to show you the progress. Can you make it with a smaller amount or bigger amount? But that is not going to be the topic of the day. Topic of the day is, can you make it? Can you be consistent in the market? Yes, sometimes you're gonna have sometimes where those days where we lose, but can you be consistent? Can we trade to a point where we can say, you know what, I took this this amount to that amount, and I can able to buy this and that. I want you to see that that actually, yes, it's possible, even though it's not really that easy. So now on USDJPY, after we broke out, we see a nice smaller consolidation, but this showed us a continuation, and we are still smashing. So I'm still expecting to see a continuation of that sell. So let's push to the next one, which is actually GBPUSD. GBPUSD showed us that it's now going to the upside, guys. GBP is now going to the upside. So we were expecting a very nice, you can see, sorry, not we were expecting we were coming from a very nice downtrend structure. Now we expect the market to continue like that, but we can see that British pound is still actually very strong against the dollar, even though we can see a very nice reversal. But on the other pairs, we see the market melting that like that. But on GBP, we can see that things are not really that bad, and it seems like the market will end up continuing to go to the upside. After we broke out of this area, we were expecting to see the market touching around this previous resistance before we see a very nice push. But it seems like the market is trying to break out. I mean, it seems to be trying to break out, but seems to be also reversing, because we see a nice bullish candlestick. But the question is, will the market continue breaking, or maybe the market will reverse? It's up to the market. But at the moment, we have these two areas. The first one is there, which the market already broke out. But the question is, will the market continue, maybe going here, touching this level before going up? We will see. We will see. But I'm actually bullish on GBPUSD. So gold has been going crazy also, but I like the fact that it seems to be respecting our level there. We had that buy pending order, but the market has been just consolidating. Actually, the market has been just consolidating. I like what I see here, because it shows us that the market is reversing, and the market actually respected this previous resistance or previous support. So now we have a very nice support. So this shows us that the market is continuing with that bullish move, because we can see the market is struggling to break out of that structure. So what we can do is to just make ourselves a favor and make sure that we cover that structure, because it shows us that it's still respecting that level. So the market is slowly going up, but slowly evolving. So which means the market it's slowly going with this uptrend, but just because we have this crazy push the upside, sometimes the market will break or reverse aggressively just to balance this trend, or we can just call that a trend adjustment, you see. So the market adjusted that. So now slowly, I think we will be seeing the market going higher. This is going to be our potential resistance. I hope you can see that. So that is going to be a potential resistance for us. At the moment, we're still bullish. We will see if maybe the news later on are going to be in our favor or not. Plus, the most important one is going to be on Friday, which is going to be PCE. So now we are on US30. We were expecting a continuation of that buy. You can see the market reversed around this level. But what we have here, it shows us that there is a chance for the market to continue as a bullish move or as an uptrend. So we can see the market that it's been playing around this level, and now it seems like it's trying to break out of that support there. So if it breaks, we will be expecting the market to touch this level before going up, unless if maybe the market is crazy, wants to go, maybe like seriously wants to give us this bearish move. It seems like things are not going well. We saw that Tesla did not really perform very well on their earnings, but I think Apple did beat the estimate. So yeah, we will see. So at the moment, yes, I'm still bullish, but this area we can see that the market is just playing around. So the best thing is to let's get maybe our trade above this ranging structures. Maybe above there, it's where we're going to get some very nice bullish moves, because here it's a good structure or it's a good area for us to buy, but the market is just playing around. And there is a chance that the market can just continue going down until maybe we reach this diagonal support, you see. So for us to be safe, we can highlight this area and say, you know what, once the market gets out of this ranging, it's where we can look for a buy. So which means at the moment we're still a little bit out of the market, especially on Nasdaq and US30. So we're waiting for a proper move to the upside. Yes, the market it shows us that it's respecting these levels, but it's just playing around. We can see that that the market has been just repeating the same thing. But now we are on Nasdaq. As you can see that we are actually on this nice bullish move, but where we are quite similar to US30. Let me remove that. Just doing that, but it's fine. Showing you that there is a very proper uptrend. So we have this support area for quite some time, and the market seems to be respecting that. But on top here, we have like more than 3 or 4 days now, the market is just playing around the same level. So which means we can say, yeah, it's a nice buy because we are very closer to the support, but the market is just playing around, you see. So what can we do? We have to highlight the structure that the market is actually respecting, because at the moment it's just consolidating. So once the market gets out of that, it's where we can look for that buy, right? But at the moment, let's just wait for the market to do its thing. Let's wait for the market to respect that level. And if it gets out of that, then that's fine. There's nothing we can do. So another one is, there is a chance that the market can break out of this area. There is a chance that the market can break out of that structure. So if it breaks, it means we are now going to look for that a downtrend. I hope that makes sense. So now let's push to the next one, guys. As I repeat, we have this special before we go on our line. Once we're done with our website, we're no longer going to show you this. We will just go straight to our website. So yeah, at the moment, let's push to the next. Okay, let's push to the next one. I pressed the wrong button. The next one is actually S&P 500, still on that nice uptrend. You see that the market has been actually showing us that it's respecting this level. Let me change that. Yeah, the market has been showing us that it's respecting these levels for quite some time, so quite similar to Nasdaq 100. So we're expecting to see the market going higher also. So where we are, we'll be expecting to see a nice reversal. You can see that we also had a nice long position or buy a pending order there, which the market actually went in a profit, very nice. But it seems like the market is repeating the same thing. So around this area, we can draw that as a horizontal support, because we can see the market reversed here. It seems to be coming back and reverse there. So there is a chance for the market to continue going up from this level. Yes, it was our previous resistance. We can now call it a support, but we can see the market went a little bit lower. So what can we call this? Yes, there is still a support area. We can then change our mind if the market breaks out of this area and goes down. We can say, yeah, maybe obviously the market will be breaking out. We'll say now we are looking for those sell positions, but at the moment we are still bullish, even though the market is playing crazy there. But at the end of the day, it still shows us that we are still respecting our trends. So that means we still have enough confidence to say the market can still go even higher. I hope that makes sense. So which one is this one? US oil, US oil, US oil. It's been going down for quite some time. We can easily see that US oil, it was coming from this aggressive downtrend structure. We were expecting a continuation of that buy, but things changed. We see that the market is now breaking out of that horizontal support that we had. Now, with this type of a aggressive sell, the market created something. We can mark that. We can mark this area and say this is the next or potential support that we can use at the moment. But for us to sell, we need to have a clear structure. Yes, we can see that the market is going down, but we can't just jump anywhere. We need to have something that can actually give us confidence to hold. Just because we see an aggressive sell, it doesn't really mean just jump on the market. You see this area, this structure. This was clear because we can see that, okay, if I get here, there is a chance for the market to go down. If I get here, there is a chance for the market to go down. So we have an evidence that we can use. But here, we don't really have that. Yes, the market has been aggressive, but do we have a proper structure that we can use and say, let's sell or let's buy? No. So which means at the moment, we can say we have the support. And if the market breaks out of that, we can say, yes, now let's look for a sell. Or maybe the market will just go around this level and try to retest. Then we can take a sell there. Or maybe around this level. So at the moment, we just need to have a concrete evidence or a structure that we can say, you know what, this is the one that we can use. But at the moment, I think for now everything is good. As don't forget that tomorrow I will be trying to update you how we are going to continue going further. I think now it's where I'm trying to transition from daily analysis every day and go into daily results. You see, just to show you that you can catch up. But for you to get the same results the same signals or the same results, it means you need to be in our team, right? So there you can see we also have a special there, so which means you can enjoy whatever that we are going to be offering. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.